So I was using the KM130, and it decided to seize on me. So I'm going to take the head off and see what the crack is. Taking the spark plug out, and it's got the cable's not on. Why is that cable not on? Right, I'm gonna go get the this little spark there. Yeah, I'll just take the spark out. The spark is in the band, but I'll just use this one. Oh, that's too big. So I'll take the spark plug out of this. Oh, bloody hell, that's if it wants to come out. Everything is on the bloody boat. Okay, do what you gotta do. Now it stopped working. Because, well, I don't know why it does, but it looked like the thing. Well, if that's loose, let me just get some pliers and crimp that on a bit more. Give it a little squeeze. Right, let's just see what happens. I'm gonna have to tighten these up using my little nugger gun. My various Stihl bolts. Got this fs130r that I'm rebuilding, but I tell you what, it's pissing me off right now. It's a fucking... Get out of the bloody door. Let's see what happens. If this all goes to plan, right, if this all goes to plan, you should fire up, but right, okay, well what happened was this came out. This so this cable worked itself loose, I'd give it a trim, tighten it back on, put a new spark plug in it, fire it up. I was on the job and she bloody conked. Get one of my many paintbrushes. Got a few projects here. Waiting for a new trigger for this so I can finish off this. I've got a McAllister bull bar there that has a strimmer attachment, and I got the Tanaka with the hedge cutter, and they're going to be my next projects, I think. Get them running. Got a couple of mowers, rebuilding this Stihl fs130r. I will I don't really know if anybody wants to watch these kind of videos, but I quite enjoy it. I think I prefer working in the workshop than actually anything else. I like going out on the boat and things like that, but in terms of like, just try to give it a little clean up, why not? What, before I put everything back together. Hold on, I gotta be honest. Brush is too soft, I need it harder. Harder, maybe. There we go. That's more like a... Yeah. I'll put it back up on there. Right, so everything's on where it should be. Take this HD lead off. I do like this edge cut. I gotta be honest. So back on there. Mr. Naga. Mr. Ooh. Oh, they call me Mr. Bastic. Call me fantastic. Put me in the on the Ooh, I want that go in. Oh, there you go. My neighbours must love me. They must love me. There we are, casing's all back on. We shall put Mr. 90 away up there. Right. Happy days. Job's a good one, look at the state of that. Fuck it. In for a penny, in for a pound, slap it back on, off the work it goes, till it doesn't work again. And that's how they roll. That's how I roll. Right. Excellent. Now, what I want to do is, I have a couple somewhere. I want to put it on the end of this. No, sorry, that's for the hedge cutter. I want to put it on the end of this. Right, so, with this little extension pole, genuine Stihl. This is my attachment to go on to edge cutter. I should do that first, because well, I didn't know the cable came off, to be honest. The hedge cutter just came to an abrupt stop, and when it did, I just swapped it, took the head off and put it on my well, this here. I can't be asked to move the camera right now. It took me ages to get it to sit still. But it'll I don't even know what it is. It's my kombi, my fs130r kombi engine. That's it. I'm not going to use the nugget gun anymore, purely because it's like 10:30 at night. On a Tuesday night, Monday night, it's not even Tuesday, Monday night. Perfect. That's put that over there. That's sorted out of the way. Now the next job is to take this off this and to put it on this. I don't know. What's this shit here? Put it on this, which is another extension pole, same as the one that's on the hedge cutter attachment. It came off an old HL 136. I'm waiting on some pinion bearing. It's a bit mashed up on one side, so I'm waiting on one of those bearings to come so I can sorry, finish that mid-sentence so I can finish putting that together. I was just thinking then, I need my vise. How is this gonna work now? I need that cup. Comes out, drop this end out, pull it. I could really do it with my vise. It's in the other bloody shed. That's it, there we are. Right, so take this attachment off. Fucker. I gotta get this out. I'm halfway between this shed and my other shed. This is what I've been slowly building. Right, drop that out there. I'm gonna put that in that Stihl box there. My little tub of random Stihl parts. Right. Bastard. Fuck's sake. Right.
Lawmakers, lawbreakers, we need trust, and not all indiscretions or misbehaviour is the same.
do something with that. I'm not sure if I have one of these slots spare. What I could do is I could glue it. All I need to do is tighten that up now. Goes that way. I'll order a new one of these plastic cups tonight, but otherwise that's tidy, and that'll slot into that, then into the hedge cutter on the end. I've got another extension pole in the van, so it's quite handy to have. Actually, to say that. Fuck's sake. I might just give this little, it's running a bit, starts and runs. Okay. It literally starts and runs okay, it just bogs itself down, so I suppose if I just whip off the air filter and have a look. But yeah, this is what I took the hedge cutter off from the attachment, took the spool off and put it on this. Oh, no wonder it wants to bog itself down. What the fuck? Jesus Christ. No wonder it struggles like fuck. Where's that brush? Holy days. Right in there. Jesus Christ, it's full of fucking grass, no wonder. Hate these cases. They make them, like, I know they're the domestic range before anybody says, but I've had this, fucking hell, I can't even get it off. I've had this absolute years, like a long time. Is that even, wow, that's a tight fit. Oh, that's a tight spark too. Bloody hell, that's a tight fit. Right, just unwind that. Take it out. Woo! Well, fuck me. I've lost it. Oh no. It's falling through. Oh Jesus, it's stuck in there now. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it, but that is black. Wow, it's full of soot. Wow, I haven't seen a sparkle like that in ages. stick this back on. That's it. Flipping hate machines.
So lots of your options. When you think about it,
Right. Well, that's where I'll end it. I'm gonna go inside now. Nice one. Right, well, let's fire it up and see what happens. It's in the shed last night. It stopped working yesterday, just abruptly. Turned out there was a cable loose. It's still full of fuel. Lovely. See what happens so we can crack on. Positive.